and welcome to HooplaKidz How To.
So for this you're going to need a ruler, some pink Play-Doh, purple Play-Doh and blue Play-Doh. I'm taking my purple Play-Doh and rolling it into an egg shape. Remember, you can use any different colour that you like though. Now I'm taking my blue Play-Doh and rolling it into a long spaghetti. Then I'm pressing it down. I'm doing the same thing with some of my pink Play-Doh. Now I'm getting my ruler. I want to make sure that my edges are super straight. And do the same thing with the blue. This is part of the decoration for the egg, so we're going to wrap it around the middle. Get rid of any excess. Like I said, the sky's the limit. You can get creative here. Now we're going to make the bow. Make a teardrop shape out of the blue and the pink. We're going to make a tail using the pink and the blue as well. Now it's time to attach those bits to the bow. And finally, attach the bow to the egg. How pretty does that look? An Easter egg out of Play-Doh. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. Bye! Hello everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today, we are going to be doing a really cool Play-Doh Easter basket. This is super simple, but it looks great. All you're going to need is a craft knife, green Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, purple Play-Doh, and some orange Play-Doh. You can use any different colours you like though. Get creative! So first I'm making the base of the basket using our orange Play-Doh. Then I'm going to make 3 spaghetti strips using the yellow. We're going to plait the yellow ones together. If you don't know how to do a plait, why don't you watch HooplaKidz Style and find out? And here we go. Now it looks like the basket has been woven. How cool is that? Neaten up both the ends. Now we're going to wrap it around the base. And there you have it, a really cool basket. Finally, it's time to make some Easter eggs. But remember, you can use any different colours you like. Get creative! And there you have it, that easy. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone, and we'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching! Hello everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today we are going to be making a really sweet Play-Doh bunny. So you only need 3 different colours for this, and that is black Play-Doh, white Play-Doh and pink Play-Doh. So the first thing to do is to make the body of your bunny. We're going to do this with 2 round balls of Play-Doh. One should be slightly bigger than the other. Stick your head on top of the main body. Now we're going to make the bunny's feet. Do this with 2 smaller balls. Stick them on the front. Next, it's time to make the bunny's arms. Do this with 2 sausages. Stick them on the side of the bunny. Now, of course, we can't forget his floppy ears. Make 2 sausages but squish them flat. Stick them on top of the bunny's head. Now we're going to make a white nose and 2 black eyes. And there you have it, a really super cute Play-Doh bunny. So easy. Don't forget, you can make it in any different color you like. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching.